Are you ready to ditch the car and start riding your bike? The Ridekick trailer is a revolutionary battery-powered bike trailer. The rechargeable battery powers the motor, which turns the wheels and pushes you forward. There's no need to go out and buy a new e-bike. The Ridekick trailer is designed to fit onto any bicycle. Installing the trailer is easy and takes less than 10 minutes. Keep your belongings in the trailer and keep them safe while you lock it up. The Ridekick trailer allows you to pedal when you want and use the throttle when you need a boost. The Ridekick is capable of pushing you up to 19 miles per hour, so you can arrive at your destination without breaking a sweat. Get the extra push you need with Ridekick. We're right behind you.